Portable massagers promising instant pain relief and spa-level relaxation at home are going viral online, and one of them is the Tri Massager Pro. What is it actually worth buying or just another overhyped gadget? So the Tri Massager Pro is marketed as a handheld muscle massager designed to relieve tension, improve circulation, and help with recovery after workouts. Many ads claim it can improve deep tissue massage and relaxation in just a few minutes at home. There are some reasons these devices are popular. Handheld massagers can help loosen tight muscles and reduce soreness after exercise. They're portable and cheaper than regular massage therapy sessions, and many users say short sessions can relieve headache or shoulder tension after long workdays, but there are also some limitations. Many viral massagers online are rebranded generic devices sold under different names. Some experts say massage guns don't always deliver the strong therapeutic benefits advertised, and marketing videos often exaggerate results compared to real-world performance. So is Tri Massager Pro worth it? It may provide basic muscle relaxation and temporary relief, but it's likely just a standard portable massager rather than a revolutionary device. The bottom line, Tri Massager Pro isn't necessarily fake, but the spa level results claims are probably exaggerated marketing. If you want a reliable device, well-known massage guns may offer better build quality and performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.